Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating every clip that contains the Wildflower camera Bling. Don't guess. Back up the originals immediately so you can revert if needed. Open your editor or a frame-based tool and mark exact timecodes or frames where the logo and overlay appear. Once done, create a duplicate sequence or project and import the duplicates only. This keeps your workflow non-destructive. Make sure to note resolution and frame rate to match restoration steps later. You'll now remove the bling using masking and tracking. First, stabilize the clip if the camera or subject moves. This makes tracking easier. Create a mask around the logo and apply a content-aware fill, clone stamp, or patch from nearby pixels. Track the mask across frames with a 2D tracker, adjust keyframes by hand where tracking fails, and feather the mask edges to blend. Once complete, color match the patched area to surrounding pixels and render a short preview. Finish by matching grain and color so the patched area doesn't stand out. Apply subtle temporal noise or film grain, then perform a final render of the entire clip at full resolution. Compare side by side with the backup to confirm fidelity. If you see jittering or visible seams, go back and refine keyframes or switch to a frame-by-frame clone for problematic sections. One key troubleshooting tip: if tracking drifts, stabilize again and retrack in shorter segments to regain alignment without introducing blur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.